Afternoon. I'm a falconer here in this area, and I brought a few of my birds to show and talk about modern and Middle Ages falconry. First off, can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Good, I'm doing my job correctly. Before I get started and bring my birds out, I just have a couple of things I have to go over. I will walk around the field with them. I must say, if anyone, no matter what age, reaches out to grab my bird, both of my birds go away. I would say you must respect them. They are wild birds still. I was asked earlier if photography was okay. Perfectly fine. You take pictures with my birds. In fact, as I'm walking around, if you want to take a quick photo, just let me know. I'll pause with the bird. Now, falconry started ages and ages ago, and one of the first recorded areas that it was found in was China. Now, falconry in Europe came to be popular in the late 800s, but it was a sport, a most noble sport, where only those of higher class could participate. And indeed, according to the Book of St. Albans, using a falcon above your class was a felonious thing. It was unacceptable. Now, one of the first birds that anyone would start with is one of the smallest falcons. Now, I do not have my European counterparts, but I do have my American counterparts. And that is Orion, the ever-threatening American kestrel. Now, as I'm getting Orion out, make sure you listen because he's a very talkative bird, and he will let you know that he is here with his mighty screech. There it is. Come on, get up.
I'm taking a picture. It's your family.
This is Orion. He is
Mouthy.
not being very helpful today, apparently. He wants to give the program and not let me talk. Orion is one of the first falcons you would learn on. Ow! Don't need to bite me. Orion, as you can tell, is not very big. With falconry, we are using our falcons, our hawks, our owls, our eagles to hunt. The reason he was used as a first bird is because he's not going to go after anything very big, which leads to the likelihood of him not getting hurt in his hunting. Now, once you got past Orion, a kestrel would only really be used by servants. So me, this would be the bird I would use in my personal hunting. So I'm a falconer, so while I care for all birds, I'm only really able to hunt with this bird. Now, when we go out after these birds, we're looking to get them at a young age. We want to capture them right after fledging, which means right after they're starting to have flight feathers. We are then going to take them and capture them and bring them to the place that we keep them, called the Mews. Now, if you've spent time here in this area, you may have visited my Mews, located in the main part of the park. My Mews are much bigger than medieval Mews. If you see my birds, you will notice they have lots of room to stretch their wings and fly if they're still able.